the glass, some rich, some news, iron trees, tiny innocents, forest, birds, melody, silent roots, Tesla, was symphonies like unfolding and living entity. This is a place of peace, sanctity, of their body and soul, where one can find solace in the mystery. The forest whispers, stories of survival and growth etched into the history. It is a reminder of the enduring, a testament to the resilience. Water carves its path over the landscape. A river the sea goes on in colour between the surface mirrors the sky, reflecting clouds and sun. The bank teems with dragonflies dancing across the leaves. Fish shimmer beneath the surface and scales touching the river. The river nurtures, providing lifeblood for the surrounding ecosystem. The gentle breath of water soothes the soul. It speaks of constant change, of the ebb and flow of existence. Look up and feel dwarfed by immensity. Mountains rise from the earth, their peaks piercing the heavens. They stand as silent sentinels, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests and snow-swept summits. The air is thin and crisp. The world stretches out below, a breathtaking panorama of valleys and rivers, forests and fields. Mountains inspire awe, remind me of the raw power and grandeur of nature. They challenge us to climb higher, to seek new perspectives. The mountains teach us resilience, the ability to weather new storms. Their beauty is both humbling and exhilarating. Section 4. Flourishing Life. A tapestry of colour. Nature's palette explodes in a riot of colour, painting the landscape with breathtaking beauty. And each flower, a brushstroke, adds to the masterpiece. Flowers bloom in vibrant hues, their petals delicate works of art. The intricate patterns and vivid colours captivate the eye, inviting closer inspection. Butterflies flutter from blossom to blossom, their wings captured in sunlight that dance gracefully, adding a touch of magic to the scene. Deer steps cautiously through the meadow, its eyes gentle and alert. Moved with the quiet melody, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Bird songs fill the air, chorus of sweet melody. Each note contributes to the symphony of nature, breathing harmony and sound. The forest floor teems with life, the tiny insect discovering its story. Every inch is alive with activity, bustling microcosms and every word. Life finds a way, expressing itself in countless forms, and the smoothest sprout of another fruit of each plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Each creature plays its part in the intricate web of existence. Their interactions weave a complex tapestry of life, interconnected and interdependent. It is a reminder to cherish the beauty in every living thing. Each life form, how tiny, contributes to the grandeur of nature. Section 5. Celestial canvas, from starry nights to golden hills. Night falls, and the sky transforms into a celestial canvas, a masterpiece painted by the universe itself. Stars twinkle like diamonds, distant suns scattered across a vast expanse of space, each one a beacon of light and darkness. The Milky Way stretches across the heavens, a river of light and cosmic darkness, connecting the stars and the celestial dance. As the night gives way to dawn, the eastern sky erupts in a blaze of colour, signaling the end of the night and the beginning of a new day. Golden rays of sunlight paint the clouds in hues of pink and orange, heralding the birth of a new day. A fresh start filled with endless possibility. The cycle of day and night, a constant reminder of nature's rhythm, a timeless dance that has been occurring since the dawn of time. It is the dance of light and shadow, of creation and renewal.